If you are an avid chocolate lover, you can't pass up these amazing Hershey's double chocolate chip cookies. They are sure to be a family favorite. Oozing with chocolate goodness, these cookies are a dream. No matter the occasion, these scrumptious cookies will be a big hit. Fortunately, this cookie recipe is beginner-friendly, so you don't need any experience baking to make them. They are great to make for parties or sell at bake sales. You can't go wrong with these delicious Hershey cookies. A Hershey's classic. Since 1894, Hershey's has been making delicious chocolate treats. Since its start in Pennsylvania, Hershey's had grown to become a worldwide company, available in over 60 countries. Hershey is one of the largest chocolate companies that are in the world. Since their beginning, Hershey's has not only produced amazing tasting chocolate and sweets, but they have also developed some fantastic recipes. Some of their most popular recipes include cakes, cookies, and brownies. This double chocolate chip cookie recipe by Hershey's is a popular fan favorite. The addition of cocoa powder to the dough makes for an extra chocolatey cookie. The combination of cocoa powder and chocolate chips in the recipe makes a cookie you can't beat. For the best results, it is recommended to use Hershey's brand cocoa powder and chocolate chips. Though other brands will still work great, using Hershey's will ensure an authentic, delicious cookie. This amazing recipe is great for serving at holidays or any time of the year. What you will need. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup Hershey's cocoa, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup butter, room temperature, 2 eggs, 1½ cups sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups chocolate chips, ½ cup coarsely chopped nuts. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your baking trays with parchment paper, or if you want, silicone mats. Step 2. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and salt. Set the mixture aside. Step 3. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until a smooth mixture forms. You can use an electric mixer or beat the mixture by hand using a whisk. It will be easier to cream the mixture with an electric mixer. Step 4. Gradually combine the flour mixture into the butter mixture, beating well. Step 5. Gently fold the chocolate chips into your chocolate cookie dough. If desired, fold in chopped nuts as well. Step 6. Drop cookie dough by rounded teaspoons onto your cookie trays. Bake in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the cookies cool on the cookie sheets for a few minutes before transferring to the wire rack to cool completely before serving. Tips and tricks. Store these double chocolate chip cookies in an airtight container at room temperature. In addition, you can freeze these cookies as well for 3 to 6 months. Place them in an airtight Ziploc bag, and when you are ready to serve them, let them thaw at room temperature for an hour or microwave them for 15 to 20 seconds. For these double chocolate chip cookies, you can use milk, semi-sweet, or dark chocolate chips. If desired, you can even use a mixture of all 3 types of chocolate chips. You can even try adding in some white chocolate chips as well. If you are feeling adventurous, you can also add peanut butter chips or even caramel chips to the cookies. These will both add a lovely flavor to your cookies, making them unique and delicious. For these cookies, it is best to use natural cocoa powder instead of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Dutch processed cocoa powder is better for recipes that do not call for baking powder or baking soda. Since this recipe calls for baking soda, natural cocoa powder, such as Hershey's cocoa powder, is the way to go. If you like nuts, this recipe tastes great with chopped walnuts or pecans. The nuts add a nice flavor and give the cookies a crunchy texture. However, if you are not a fan, simply leave them out of this recipe. These cookies taste amazing served fresh out of the oven with a glass of milk while they are still warm. They also taste great when paired with chocolate or vanilla ice cream. You can even use them to make delicious ice cream sandwiches or break them up into chunks and blend them into a milkshake. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.